Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cream or a splash of stock would work. I would let the chicken heat for a minute before adding the sauce, as you don't want it on the heat enough to reduce. If it starts to get too thick, you can also add a splash of water to thin it back out.
Let's help you make your mark.
Over the years, the recipe has been adapted, and it's often made with heavy cream. But Alfredo sauce without heavy cream can be made, and it can be tasty. Milk can be used in place of heavy cream to make a white sauce, and the combination can be a lighter sauce that doesn't have all the calories of the original.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To replace 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of heavy cream in your recipe, add 2 tablespoons, 19 grams, of cornstarch to 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of milk and stir, allowing the mixture to thicken. You can use whole milk or opt for skim milk to help slash the calories and fat content of your recipe.
Take our lead.
To the jar, add at least 3 additions to the store-bought sauce to give it a fresher taste. I like to add 1 tablespoon real butter, 1/3 cup cream, 2 tea fresh, minced garlic, 1/4 c fresh grated Parmesan, 1/2 c steamed fresh broccoli, a sprinkle of garlic salt, fresh black pepper, and a little bit of fresh or dried basil.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ingredients: 1/4 cup butter, or more to taste. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, such as Kraft. 2 cups milk. 1½ teaspoons Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon salt, or to taste. 1 pinch ground black pepper.
Take our lead.
Add your butter and minced garlic to the pan and let the butter melt. Once melted, pour in your jar of sauce. Pour the milk into the jar and give a good shake. Start with 1/4 cup of milk, and if more is desired, add another 1/4 cup.
Let's help you make your mark.
If your sauce is broken because it sat out too long at room temperature or you refrigerated it, don't fret. This one's a pretty easy fix. Pour your sauce into a blender and add a tablespoon of very hot water, then blend until it's smooth and creamy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.